So we all know, guys, that we are still on the bear market. That is why short-term profits rarely surpass the returns of long-term investments. This is precisely why we should explore projects that can offer us sustained long-term profitability. Fortunately, it seems I may have discovered one that aligns with this criteria. If this grabs your interest, guys, well then let's delve right into Highlander Token. So we are on the website, guys, for highlandertoken.com. Join the Highlander Token journey, or HLR Token invites investors who appreciate the value of long-term holding and want to be part of an innovative, secure, and rewarding cryptocurrency experience. So Highlander Token, or HLR, is a revolutionary new deflationary cryptocurrency built on the Binance Smart Chain. The protocol is designed around the principles of long-term holding, guys, continuous token burn, and sustainable value growth, while also providing an enjoyable and engaging experience for its investors. Now we have here tokenomics. HLR has a distinctive tax structure and token allocation plan, a 10% tax on buy orders and a 25% tax on sell orders, ensures a sustainable ecosystem, and discourages short-term trading. So click here to read more about the buy tax allocation, to sell tax allocation, and then for the tax token allocation. The future, Highlander Token will be exploring integrations with other blockchains, developing staking platform to reward loyal holders further, and regularly revisiting and updating the token's economics to ensure it remains innovative and adaptive in the rapidly changing crypto landscape. For the roadmap, guys, check out our crypto ecosystem plan from concept to launch and what the community can expect upon completion. So click here for the detailed roadmap. So why buy Highlander Token? While Monsta may offer attractive returns, HLR provides a unique combination of potential price appreciation due to its deflationary nature, recurring rewards through asset distribution, governance, participation, and strategic alignment with high-yield DeFi protocol, offering a compelling, multifaceted investment proposition. So join the Highlander Token journey. Highlander Token is an innovative protocol focused on long-term value and community engagement with a unique tax structure, strategic vault assets, and a commitment to security and transparency. HLR presents a promising opportunity in decentralized finance. Join us in redefining deflationary tokens and building a sustainable crypto future. So we could check for this one for the audit, guys. Okay, so let's click for this one. So in here, guys, fresh coin smart contract code review and security analysis report for the Highlander token, which was dated 11/8/2023. We have here the token overview, the table of contents. Okay, for the disclaimer, this information provided on this analysis document is only for general information, so that if you are investing, guys, make sure to check out for this information. Okay, Fresh Coins team will take no payment for manipulating the results of this audit. Okay, the score and result will stay on this project page information, okay, of our website. Fresh Coin team does not guarantees that a project will not sell off team supply or any other scam strategy, rug or honeypot, etc. So in here, guys, you could check them all in here. Okay, website diagnostic, performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and then progressive web app. The audit overview, guys, overall for security score is 91%, static scan 98%, and then ERC scan at 90%. So basically, guys, in terms of this one, it is all on the high note with low probability. Basically, it's all in green, okay? And then some of the things that you need to know, honor, privileges. So all in all, you could check them all in here, guys, for the audit. Now, let's check on the roadmap. Now, for the roadmap, guys, Highlander Token or HLR roadmap, we have here Genesis landing page creation, website development, audit of contract, Telegram launch, Twitter launch, YouTube video production, conceptual design of NFTs, pink sale, pre-sale launch. Later on, we'll check for this one. And then marketing campaigns. Okay. So, let's check on the white paper for this time, guys. For the Highlander Token white paper, we have here about Highlander Token introduction. For the HLR is a, again, revolutionary new deflationary cryptocurrency. The tokenomics are in here, so you could check for this one. Tax is imposed at 10% on buy and 25% on sell orders, okay? And then security, they are all in here. Okay, Highlander Token prioritizes investor protection and market integrity. The protocol has been fully audited, guys, and ensure its security and legitimacy of its mechanisms, okay? Risk disclaimer, investing in cryptocurrencies involves risk as always, guys, okay? Always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose, okay? And potential investors must be aware of this before participating in the Highlander Token protocol. While we strive to create an environment where everyone can enjoy the process of investing and reap potential rewards, it is essential to understand that this project does not guarantee profits or returns. Okay, so you can check them all in here. Why buy HLR? Holding HLR versus Monsta. Unique advantages. Okay, HLR is designed to become scarcer, okay, over time due to its token burning mechanism. This can potentially lead to a higher token value as demand continues. Regular asset redistribution, HLR holders are eligible to receive a percentage of the vault asset based on their token holding percentage at the end of each cycle. Your Monsta received at the end of each cycle would mean you could sell or you could hold for the total Monsta cycle. This could mean that you receive your portion of the Monsta vault, okay, BNB and cake, proportionate to your Monsta holding received at the end of the cycle. This model offers a recurring reward mechanism for holding HLR. Stable and potential returns. The vault strategy anchored by Monsta provides HLR holders with indirect exposure to a high-yield DeFi protocol, potentially providing consistent and stable returns. Community and governance participation. HLR holders have a say in the future of the project through governance votes, creating a sense of ownership and influence in the project's direction, which may not be possible by holding Monsta alone. Enhanced tokenomics and tax structure, guys. The unique tax structure of HLR token is designed to discourage short-term trading and encourage long-term holding, aiming to create a more stable price and rewarding long-term investors. So, exclusive access to future developments. HLR team has a vision for ongoing innovation and development. Holding HLR could grant investors access to future features, partnerships, and rewards programs that are exclusive to this community. Diversified investment. Okay, by holding HLR, investors are essentially diversifying their portfolio. They are not only exposed to the value dynamics of HLR itself, but also the potential returns generated by the Monsta held in the vault. So security and compliance, guys, it has been audited for security, offering a sense of reliability and integrity. This could make HLR a more appealing and trustworthy option of risk-averse investors. So let's check on vault assets, guys. So what is in here? So we are directed into dextools.io. So we have here the pairing. So we are in here, guys. So let's just wait for this one to load. And we have Monsta paired with WBNB. Okay, on dextools.io. Currently, the value for this one is 0.0001642. So this is basically the graph. So this is the pairing, guys, for Monsta and WBNB. Okay. Again, disclaimer, this aggregator is just a tool designed to make your trading easier. Be aware of DexTools does not endorse or verify any token listed here. Okay. So it's kind of laggy in terms of the loading, but we have the pairing in terms of this one on dextools.io. So let's check on the pre-sale. So we are on pinksale.finance, guys. Any here, Highlander Fair launch. So Highlander Token or HLR, a new era in crypto, ultra deflationary, maximizing your gains, optimizing value, reserve vault with Monsta every 6 months. Holders reap rewards, game-changing tokenomics, 10 to 25% tax structure that rewards the patient, fully audited, ready to skyrocket on launch, pioneering roadmap, Monster Whales on board, exclusive growth potential, just 24-hour post-fair launch, we take flight. Are you ready to conquer with Highlander? So in here guys, we have the pre-sale address. This is the token and the token address. The token symbol will be Highlander. A token name is Highlander with token symbol HLR. Okay, the token supply, we have 420,696,000 HLR. Tokens for pre-sale is 42,069,000. Tokens for liquidity is already at 20 million. 20,382,000. Initial market cap is set at 235,274. Soft cap is at 30 BNB. So start of the pre-sale will be 9/25/2023 and ends on October 2, 2023, 1600 UTC. So check on your local time if you are going to buy for this one guys, for the token. So make sure to check for this one guys. And then affiliate program is also in here. For the token metrics, for the pre-sale, this one is only 10%. The liquidity is set at 4.845 and then unlock is already 85.155 for HLR token. So as always guys, thank you for joining me on Cryptonautic. Make sure to stay inspired and chase those dreams. I'll see you on the next video guys. See ya!